The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2014 through 2018 Subaru Forester with fixed points. We've just installed a Yakima JetStream SkyLine complete roof rack. This bundle is comprised of the 50-inch JetStream load bars in black, also available in silver, the SkyLine Tower Pack, and vehicle-specific landing pad 22. Locks are available separately as an accessory but are not required. Crossbars are mounted at 33.5 inches center to center. Weight capacity for this roof is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This is a multi-purpose roof rack that can handle lots of different gear like kayaks, bikes, luggage, and more. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. Make sure to use the link in the description below when making your purchase to ensure you get all the correct parts. Thank you for your support, and like always, thanks for watching.